The next thing we are going to see in this video is how to take user input in Java. User input means we will make the program to take a value from the user while the program is already in execution and assign this value to a variable in the program. User input in Java is taken with the use of the scanner class, which we need to import at the top of our program. So I will come at the top before the definition of our class. And then I'm going to import the scanner class, which we need to take user input. I will write import java.util.scanner with capital S. So this imports our scanner class. The import keyword is used to import packages or modules from elsewhere in our Java program, while util stands for utility, and it is a package that contains various utility classes and interfaces to help perform common tasks. From it, we are importing the scanner class, which is the class that permits us to take user input. Now, since scanner is a class, we need to create an object of this class before being able to use it. So I'm going to create a scanner object to read input from the user. I will write the class name first of all, which is scanner. So to create an object of a class, we need to write the class name first, and then I'm going to name this scanner object scanner seal, but this time with lowercase s, and then I'm going to say new scanner. The scanner here refers to the class name, and then I will open a set of parentheses and write system.in. Now we are going to prompt the user to enter your name. Now when we display the message enter your name, we are going to store this name in a string variable called username. So I will declare that variable string and then user name equals, I'm now going to set this to scanner.nextLine, followed by a set of parentheses. So I am saying the username, which is the variable we have just created, is going to be set to scanner.nextLine. This scanner.nextLine is simply going to use the scanner object from the scanner class. So after the message enter your name is displayed, we are going to be taken to the next line, and there will be a prompt for the user to enter a value for the name. Whatever the user is going to enter as the name is going to be stored in this variable called username. The next line method is a method of the scanner class for taking string input only. Each data type has its own unique method for taking inputs for that particular data type. So here is a list of the different scanner class methods for taking different user inputs of different data type. For integers, we are going to use the nextInt method. For the long data type, we will use nextLong. Float, nextFloat. Double is nextDouble. Char, we are going to use next followed by parentheses and then dot char at 0. And finally, boolean is next boolean, and for string is next line, as we have already seen here. So now let's ask the user to enter their age. So I will change this message to enter your age, and then I will go below and declare another variable for the user's age, which is going to be int. And then I will do something similar to what I did for taking the name input. I will say scanner.next, as we saw above. Next int is going to be the scanner method for taking int input. And then finally, we are going to print a message which displays the user's name and age. So now what we have to do at the end is to close the scanner using the scanner.close method. So I will say scanner.close. Okay, let me now save this program, and then we are going to run it. So the program asks us to enter your name. I'm going to enter my name, Kevin, and then enter your age. I will enter my age, 99. And when we run this, we see that Kevin is 99 years old is printed. So the program works exactly as we expected. And that is how to take user input in Java.